Welcome to qnawire.
All right, so this question is asking us to identify which molecular fragment, A or B, is going to be a better conductor of electricity. Now, what you need to know is that electrical conductivity has to do with the movement of charged particles in a molecule. These charged particles can be ions, which are either positive or negative, or they can be electrons, which are always negative. Now, molecule A is a simple carbon chain. Looks like that. While molecule B is a carbon chain, but it's also got these double bonds. Now, since these are carbon chains, neither of them are going to have ions. They're going to be made up of carbon and hydrogen atoms, which are neutral particles. However, atoms have electrons in them. So both of these molecules will have electrons. Now, since both have electrons, our question now is to figure out which of these molecules' electrons will be able to move around more freely. Well, if you look at molecule B, you have these double bonds here that can actually shift or flip around the length of this molecule, like so. This will give you another form of the same molecule that'll just look a little different. Something like this. This is called resonance. The whole point here is that molecule B's electrons can move around more freely because they exist in double bonds. Meanwhile, molecule A doesn't have any of these double bonds, so its electrons do not move around as freely. Therefore, B will conduct electricity better because the moving electrons can carry the electrical current better.